This is the bechamel sauce, the cream that it's perfect for any dish. The cream that will make your dish more elegant, more sophisticated, and more creamy. Let's learn what's behind this beautiful sauce. Hi guys, and welcome to Vincenzo's Plate, the place where you get to learn delicious homemade Italian food. Even though this is French, it is very important in Italian cuisine. The bechamel sauce, a beautiful, delicate sauce. I want to show you today how to make it in no time. So what we need is 25 grams of butter, 25 grams of plain flour, 250 ml of milk, and a little bit of nutmeg. Let's make bechamel sauce. To make bechamel sauce, a little pan, low heat, and we put the butter in there, okay? We want the butter to slowly, gently melt. When the butter melts, which will take no time, we start adding the flour. Put the flour in there. And we stir. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna get some lumps. Okay, so keep stirring until the flour disappears. And we will get this like a cream. Okay, but this is not the bechamel. How do we create a bechamel? We create the bechamel by adding the milk. So we're gonna add a little bit of milk at a time right now, a little bit, not too much. So we start with 1/4 of the 250 and we stir on a medium-low heat, okay? Don't be too rough with the bechamel. See how dense it becomes? See how thick? Look at that. Look how thick, okay? See that? So let's keep adding the milk. We always want this to stay moist. We don't want the bechamel to dry up. See that? Look. Oh my God, it's coming all together. It's coming together. The bechamel sauce. As you can see, I'm not making too much. I'm not a big fan of a lot of bechamel sauce. I'm not making a traditional bolognese lasagna, which needs a lot of bechamel. I'm just using a little touch of bechamel to give that little extra flavor that we love. Okay, see here? It's creamy, drying up a little bit. Let's put the rest of the milk. Now, I know in USA you guys use ricotta. Not sure where it's from, probably Sicily. In Italy we don't really have ricotta lasagna. Bechamel is used. I know ricotta, it's easy to use, you just put it in there, but it's a different flavor. The bechamel doesn't have a strong flavor. It's more delicate, let me tell you, put it that way, more delicate. We want the mozzarella, the provolone, the pecorino or parmigiano to take over. You know, we don't want the ricotta to take over those cheeses. It is important you keep stirring, stir, because if we don't stir, what's gonna happen is it's gonna get stuck to the pan and we have to start from scratch. So stir, you know, it's like going to the gym, you exercise. Instead of exercising in the gym, you exercise in the kitchen. Oh, it's becoming thicker, you can feel it. Okay guys, see, it's thickening, it's thicker. And this is what we want. After a couple of minutes, you get this thick consistency, and that's your bechamel. You don't have to make it too thick. It can be, you know, a little bit runny because it needs to go in the lasagna, and we don't want this to be too thick. But you can make a thick bechamel, it's up to you. As you can see, my bechamel sauce, it's done. You can use bechamel sauce for anything, not just lasagna. You can do crepes with this. You can put it, honestly, you can do it in pasta, you can do anything you want. And here it is, the bechamel sauce. Now switch off the pan and we quickly put some nutmeg, a little bit of nutmeg, some salt, stir to give flavors, and we are ready to use it. It's basically ready to use. Here it is, here it is. A bechamel sauce. It's ready to be served. The bechamel sauce is nice and creamy. Beautiful. Now transfer the bechamel sauce in a jar or in a bowl and cover with plastic wrap so we avoid for the bechamel to dry up. This is such a beautiful, beautiful ingredient, such a fantastic ingredient to use, bechamel sauce. Look at that, look how beautiful and creamy. Fantastic, I love it. Guys, this is how easy it is to make bechamel sauce. I mean, so easy, look. Creamy, easy, simple. Honestly, when you make lasagna next time or anything you make, just make sure you make bechamel. This is a nice amount for a nice big dish. So thank you so much for watching this episode. We will see you in the next Vincenzo's Plate video recipe. E ora si mangia. What am I going to eat this week? Huh? Write a comment below, let me know. What dish do you want me to make with bechamel? Vincenzo's Plate. Ciao! Ciao!